Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what Google needs: an account and a reachable phone. Sign in to Google Voice on the app or web. Once done, tap or click Get a Voice Number and allow location or region prompts so the service shows local options. Make sure your device has stable internet and that you have the physical phone ready for verification. This saves back and forth. You're starting the selection process immediately rather than stalling on setup details. You'll search for a number by city, area code, or keyword and review available options. Pick the one that fits your needs and click Continue. Next, you must link a real phone for verification. Enter your current mobile or landline number and request code via text or voice call. Once you receive the 6-digit code, type it into the prompt. Make sure to complete this step. Without verification, Google won't activate forwarding or finalize the number assignment. You finish by confirming the assigned number and configuring call forwarding, voicemail, and text settings. Save each change. Then immediately place a test outgoing call and send a test text to ensure routing and caller ID behave as expected. If you run into issues, re-verify the linked phone, restart the app, and ensure your carrier isn't blocking short codes or VoIP. If still unresolved, remove and reassign the number. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.